So just a little bit more on our colors, our color picker rather. Um, let's understand it. Let's look at the color picker module. Let's open it up. The way you open it up is by clicking on either the foreground or the background color over here. Once you click there one time, there we go. Okay, it opens up the color picker. The foreground color is what it's looking at. Okay, um, let me cancel out of this and let's click here. It it shows the background color. So you can't get lost, or it tries to guide you every step of the way, so you won't be lost while selecting your colors, knowing that this is the background color. In the event you're you're wondering, well, where am I now? Okay, well, you actually on the background color right here. Let's close this. Say you want the foreground because you want to get ready to paint. You click there and it says foreground color. Okay, now here are all of your color spectrum right here. If you wanted to change or select any, you could see these arrows down here at the bottom. You could grab that and just slide it up, and it goes through the whole spectrum, color spectrum that we have here. And you can find your colors. And each time you select a color, it'll give you your new color as opposed to your current color. Remember, this is the foreground color, which is white right now. Let's look over here. It's currently white, and we could change that by selecting a new color like that, or we could pull this down, and there we have it. Okay, now you can enter your HSB color numbers if you have this percentage. If you have your RGB numbers, you could enter them here. Your lab color, your CMYK color. You can enter all of that here if you want to be, really precise. Say you're doing some print work, and they give you the CMYK color to use for a certain text or font or whatnot. You can enter that information here. Also, what I like about this is this in Photoshop is you can enter your own hex number right here, hexadecimal number. You can enter it right there to get your precise number or color. And say you have a website and it's giving you a hex number, and you don't know what the color is, and you need a reference. For example, let me open up a CSS HTML. Okay, here we go. All right, let's look at this. Okay, we have a color here, right here, color number. The color number is this right here. Say we don't know I know what it is, but say in the event we didn't know what it is. We could copy that into our clipboard, or memory. Hold down Control, hit C, or Option C on the Mac. Let's go back to our color picker there, and then Control V. And there we have it. That's the color. Okay, let's go and get another color. Let's say, come down here. Okay, that's the same color, Okay, here's one. Let's say we take that color, copy into our memory, Control C, and then we go here, Control V, and it's off-white. That's the color. Okay, so this little dilly-dally-o, this little area is really cool for referencing colors. Let you see the color, and say you select a color here and you want to use this crimson or this color in all of your narratives on your site or on your work that you're doing. You could come down here and get the hex number, And that hex value you could put in any software, or you could use anywhere, and it will reference to this color all the time, every time. Okay. Another thing you could do is, and I like this option, use web colors, or only web colors. Let's click there. Okay. Now, let me back up. I'm sorry. Let me take this check off. Now watch this. I'm going to go through the spectrum of this color. And if you look right here to the right of this preview, you'll see boxes, little boxes. And sometimes you see this. That simply means it's not a web safe color, meaning some computers may show the color and some won't. Some browsers may be able to duplicate that color, and some browsers won't be able to produce that color. So if we click on only web colors, if you notice over here, it's not changing at all to that little warning. Okay, so you can get only your web colors and you can stay safe. Okay, great option, great option. Let's say you want more options, more colors. Right here, you can select the color libraries. I like this because it goes through, it has various books of libraries, your Pantones, all of your Pantones, and it has your True Match, all of these colors. If you're doing print work, this will come in handy. Let's say Pantone Pastel Coated. Okay, and now what I could do is I could go through the spectrum and choose only these Pantone colors right there, and there I have it. And I could go back to the color picker, and there's the color right there. And then say I'm working on a image or a color and I don't currently have it in my swatch over here. Now what I could do, I get a color that I like or that I'm going to use often, and right there I can click right here, add to swatch, and it will give a name. You could give it your own name, and then you can add it to your swatches over here. That's the color you're going to use frequently. Okay, that's all I have for you in this video tutorial. It was short and sweet and to the point, but I'm sure you were able to get a lot of information from this video tutorial. And I look to see you in our next video tutorial. Take care. Bye-bye for now.